Greetings. Joseph Kursky here with you, geographer on the Esri Education Industry Team, serving primary, secondary, university, community and technical college, library, and museum educators. As I do every year, I would like to share my reflections on the 2019 Esri User Conference and the Education Summit. This is the event I look forward to every year. The User Conference attracts nearly 20,000 people from 130 plus countries from all over the world, learning about geospatial data, techniques, models, approaches, and tools from each other, and sharing what they do in health, business, public safety, natural resource management, city planning, and in a wide diversity of other fields, to make a positive difference in our world from local to global scale using Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, technologies and methods. The Education Summit, held for 2 days immediately prior to the User Conference, was an opportunity for educators in all disciplines and at all levels, from primary to lifelong learning, to share their stories and to learn from each other. This event attracted 700 people this year, and truly it was a beautiful thing. I wish to touch on 9 themes that I saw running through the conference this year. First of all, the theme of the conference was GIS, the Intelligent Nervous System. Just like your own body has a nervous system that regulates the functioning of your vital organs. Indeed, you and I wouldn't be here if it weren't for our nervous system. Our world would not be as healthy and efficient and being able to plan for the future if it were not for GIS running everything from transportation to human health to energy to water, etc., sustainable agriculture, and so on. Number 2, the science of where provides the framework and the process for creating understanding and supporting those who respond. Number 3, this work is contributing to the global geospatial infrastructure. Number 4, this work will engage everyone in society, not just a niche group of people, because everyone is asking the where question. And the where question is fundamental to addressing the serious problems of our 21st century world, from local to global. Number 5, the infrastructure of networked and distributed tools helps people do their work better. Number 6, GIS is integrating open science, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and other key parts of our modern world. Number 7, GIS is transforming how organizations work. GIS technology is not a fad. Number 8, Esri focuses on geo-enabled systems and also software and SaaS, software as a service, segments of GIS. And finally, number 9, key trends in GIS include BIM and AEC, Building Information Management, and Architecture, Engineering, and Construction. Community GIS collaboration, marketplace, the developer community, real-time GIS, increased demand for professional development, and universities embracing GIS throughout their curriculum. My favorite parts of this event were as follows. Number 1, the Young Professionals Network, YPN, including the Young Scholars. The future, folks, is in good hands with these people. Along the same lines, the 4-H and high school students attending and presenting. You are doing things that some university students are not doing, folks, so keep up the incredible work. Number 3, the map gallery this year included 1,180 maps. The world's largest collection of current work people are doing with GIS. Truly amazing and inspiring. Not just to see these maps, but to think about the communities and regions and whole countries that are benefiting from this work. Number 4, the plenary session. Washington, D.C.'s GIS work and that from the city of Pasadena. Demining activities. Seeing my colleagues demonstrating the amazing capabilities of ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, Operations Dashboards, City Engine, Business Analyst Web, Insights, and other tools from Esri. Hearing Jack Dangermond's encouraging messages. Seeing Jane Goodall and E.O. Wilson. And the secondary school students from Northern Ireland with the work they are doing, not only with GIS, but to bring their community together around. You can see some of my photographs here, especially the startup zone and the conservation and humanitarian zone. But I was also honored to, with my colleagues, host the Education Island, and there we interacted with hundreds of people over 3 days. I also enjoyed seeing the Esri technical booths so well attended by the conference attendees, and I thank all of the universities, business partners, and others who exhibited there, and trust that it was worth your time and effort. Number 6, the Education Summit. that 700 people took the time and effort to attend means the world to me. These educators are inspiring, and to just think of the positive impact they are having on their students, helping students to think critically and spatially using GIS technologies in subjects including geography, GIS, sociology, business, health, marketing, history, biology, mathematics, data science, and many more, and also using GIS to make their campuses smarter on the administrative side. Campus safety, recruitment, retention, the efficient management of the buildings, and so on. I say to you all, keep mapping. Keep up the inspiring work you are doing, and I hope to see you next year at the 2020 Esri User Conference. And finally, I was inspired and encouraged by the GIS community. I learned from these folks, and I do my utmost to encourage them in their work. And you who are watching this video, keep on mapping, analyzing, and asking questions. Your work is making a positive difference on our planet, folks, and in people's lives. You are making our world more sustainable, healthier, and happier. I salute you and wish you continued success.